Imagine an RC chassis that adapts to whatever you want to build. From heavy-duty semi-trucks and box trucks to motorhomes and buses, welcome to the Skeeter HD Chassis, a fully modular 1/14th scale platform designed entirely for 3D printing. What makes the Skeeter HD unique is complete layout freedom. Every single module uses the exact same universal frame connection piece. That means you can connect any module to any other module or even duplicate them on either end. Right now, the ecosystem includes 6 core modules: steering for precise control, transmission to deliver power, blank frame lengths to customize your wheelbase, liftable axle for heavy load realism, drive axles for maximum traction, and a 5th wheel hitch for any trailer attaching needs. And this is just the beginning. More specialized modules are already in development. Originally engineered to handle the demands of 1/14th scale semi-trucks, the chassis is incredibly strong, but its strength is matched by its versatility. Because you can change the length and axle configuration in minutes, it's the perfect foundation for semi-trucks, buses, motorhomes, box trucks, dump trucks, and beyond. Nearly everything you see is 3D printed, making it highly customizable and easy to replicate. All you need to supply is standard hardware like screws, bearings, and shocks, along with your choice of electronics, including servos, motors, and lights. To get you started, I've already designed many custom semi-truck cabs specifically for this chassis, with many more on the way. But if you already own a 1/14th scale body, like a Tamiya semi-truck, the Skeeter HD is compatible with minor fabrication, giving your existing models a brand new, ultra-capable backbone. Ready to build your ultimate custom rig? Download the files, clear your print bed, and start building the Skeeter HD chassis today. Links are in the description.